Vlog 16, sharing some gifts. Happy 300 Pinalangga God-given subscribers! Thank you so much for your love and support. How are you today, my Pinalangga God-given subscribers? Hope all is well to all. Today I will be giving you 3 Banics kettles. Sorry for the delay, been too busy that we are celebrating our 1,000 subscribers too. That I will be doing my live stream again and be giving away 30 winners of 50 pesos worth of loads. One, two, three. For now, sorry, I will taste the cake. Let's eat. Yummy. This is it. I am excited to who will be the winner for the mechanics. Watch the video, like the video after 5 minutes of watching, then comment anything below from the video. Your entry will be taken from here. We will draw after 2 weeks. I'll show you how it looks like. Just press to open the top, then close it, and then press the button down. That's it. And to help the algorithm promote my vlogs, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and ring the bell. Shout out to my 1,027 subscribers and to you, my beloved teacher of my alma mater, Malandog Elementary School. Thank you for visiting Artiso Farm Care. Instant visiting, marati preparation. Okay, thank you for coming. Ma'am Ami Pagunsan, the principal, Ma'am Wendy, Sir Nava, Ma'am Molina, Ma'am Jo, Ma'am Nitz, and Ma'am Jorge. Happy Fiesta Malandog! Don't forget to join my raffle. Good luck! Thank you for watching and God bless everyone.